Hi guys, this is Maria with Toys in a Store. Today I'm going to be opening different blind bags. I'm going to pick 7 blind bags to open today, and you guys have to come back to see the rest of my blind bags openings. First I'm going to open Minion's surprise bag. Then we have Kity in my pocket. Then I have Lala Loopsy Teenies, My Little Pony, Puppy in my pocket blind bag, Care Bears blind bag, this is my favorite, and Littlest Pet Shop. Make sure I mix them up so they all get fair chance in line. Okay, first one we have Littlest Pet Shop. Series 3 Cozy Snackers. Let's see, who do we have today? Oh, it looks like a little bear. A little bear, what is he sitting in? Oh, it looks like milk carton, and look, he's got couple cookies with his milk. Yum yum yum. He looks so cozy. He is adorable and pink. And here, other toys you can get. They don't have any names in here, but you can look it up on website for the names of your animals. Cutie pie. Next, I'm going to open Puppy in my pocket. Oh my gosh, I really love this little doggy. Oh, with the ball. Oh my god, he looks like a circus performer doggy. Oh, so cute. I can't believe it. He looks so lifelike, so adorable. Let's see his name. Look guys, you can get extra rare as well. Oh my gosh, sparkly one. I wish I got sparkly one. Okay, who do we have? I see is Josie Papillon. So cute. Oh my god. Ah, so cute. Look at him. He's got bald and he's got blue ruffled collar and big ears. Next, I have Kity in my pocket, Series 1. That's a lot of kitties to collect. Oh wow, look at this kitty. He's got plant next to him. Looks like he's sitting on a windowsill. That's adorable kitty with a little pink nose. Oh, I like that they're so fuzzy. Oh, meow. Let's see if we can find our kitty cat. Yeah, she's right there on the side. This is our little kitty cat. You know guys, this didn't come with the paper, so I don't know the kitty cat name. Okay, next is Minion Surprise. And here are the Minions you can get. I like Minions. Oh, it fell out. Oh, pirate Minion. Oh my gosh. Look Guys, his name is I Matey Minion. That's a cool outfit on the Minion. Look, he looks like a real pirate. Hi. He's got skull on top of his head. He looks so serious. That's really cool. And next I'm going to open Care Bear blind bag. Oh wow, pink with sparkles and a rainbow on his tummy. Cheer Bear. Oh, so adorable. Look, it's a pink jelly bear. He looks like he's made out of jelly. He's not hysterical. Oh, he looks so yummy. So cute with a little heart. Oh, I love him. He is so adorable. And then we have Lala Loopsy Teenies. And you can make bracelet or necklace out of them. Look at the girl, she has a bracelet made out of her Lala Loopsy Teenies. Oh, look at this. What is that? Huh, looks like a little sheep. Or a lamb. No, I think it's a sheep. With a little bow on the top, and look, she's got a hole right through her, so you can put her on a string and hang it on your bracelet. That's cute. One day I should put all my Lala Loopsy Teenies on a string and see how many I have. And they didn't come with a name as well, but I call her little sheep. Here she is on the back of the packet. And the last one is My Little Pony blind bag. Oh, I can't wait to see what I got. I do love those ponies. They're so cute. Oh wow, it's a yellow jelly. Oh my god, so adorable with sparkles. Ribbon heart. She's always ready to play. Oh my gosh, I love her. And I love all those ponies, and I think I would like to get next Apple Pumpkin. I think she'd be adorable. Look, she's got a little ribbon. Little ribbon cutie mark. She's so cute. Oh, they are cute, so cute. I can't wait to collect them all. So I think my favorite out of this is a little kitty, the little doggy, the Minion, and the pony. So let's move them in front. And little bear. Oops. And then out of those, I think my favorite is Josie Papillon. I think she's so cute. Look at Josie. I just can't get over her. She is like amazing. Oh, look, I'm petting her. Little ear. Bye guys, come back, check us out again. That's it for this video. Let me know in the comment section which one of the characters was your favorite. Thanks for watching Toys in the Store channel. Don't forget to leave big thumbs up and subscribe.